Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide last seen online on Instagram. So if you want to hide your last scene that nobody can see when you were online on Instagram or when you were offline, so I will tell you how to do this. So now first of all, what you have to do is you have to open up the Instagram application on your mobile and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner like this. Now from here you can see these three bars in the upper right corner. Just click on this and tap on this settings. And when you are in settings, what you have to do is you have to tap on this privacy option, and if you scroll down a little bit you will see this option activity status. Just tap on it and you can see these two options here: show your activity status, show when you are active together. So you can see that my toggle is turned on. So if I want to hide my last scene, I just want to toggle this off like this, and now nobody can see my online activity status. Now nobody can see my activity, nobody can see me online. But there is another thing: if you are hiding your last scene as well, you also can't see other person's last scene, because if you turn this toggle on, you won't be see other person's online status as well. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.